Hi everyone.
Welcome to Uninomi channel here. I'm Christy.
And I'm Aaron.
Long time no see. So glad to see you again in our light show. Today we'll focus on solar streetlight.
So let's find a way to sustainable brilliance solar lighting together. So here we show you our main topics today.
I bet you are looking forward to see our products, right? But just wait and we will set a free sample application in our final section. So here we go. I think today we'll also have some new friends, right? So let me do a quick overview for Uninomi here.
Okay.
Uninomi can provide a one-stop solution for many applications like the street lighting, tunnel lighting, landscape, sports, and so on. But today, we will just focus on the solar street light.
We are expert in outdoor lighting for more than 15 years.
Yes.
And we have a strong and a professional R&D team and international first-class central lab, which has been recognized by CNAS.
So, do you believe that our Uninomi team can provide you the expert service and support to ensure the success for your every project?
Uninomi has more than 5,000 employees and create sales networks over 80 countries. Just come and join us.
So, Aaron, why we have to choose the solar lighting?
Yeah, we have three different rationales behind these initiatives. The first one is there's an unbalanced regional development of the modern power applications. And the second one is the carbon neutral trend and the growing global demand for energy-saving products. And the last one is we have abundant solar energy resources across many parts of the world.
Okay, and I checked the report from the WHO, and it shows the unbalanced regional development and the clean energy are becoming the very hot topics globally.
So, as you can see, there's a growing global demand for energy-saving products. So right now, we have over 150 countries in the world to have the net zero policies to raise to the cultural neutrality to use the energy-saving products.
Okay, I see. So the market is very big, right? So we can see the map showing the Midwest, the Australia and Africa. They are very rich in the solar resources.
Yeah, as you can see from our slide, we can see there will be a lot of market potentials for the solar street lighting market. So the market size in 2025, the market size can be reached to 132 million USD dollars.
Then we have many street lights to choose, but why we have to choose the solar lighting? So as we know, there are some pain points for the conventional street light, and it has the high cost and energy consumption, limited access to electricity, and also difficult to maintenance and have some environmental impact. So is there any benefits for the solar street light?
Yeah, sure. We have a number of benefits of turning to solar street light. First one is to minimize the cost. And the second one, it is more convenient for the customers to maintain the solar lighting products. And also, it is hassle-free management for the solar lighting products. And last but not least, it is environmental friendly, so that because it do not consume the electricity. Yeah,
I see. So, according to your points, then how to choose the correct solar products?
So I think before we going to find out how to choose the solar lighting products, first let us see how the solar lighting works.
Yeah, it's the main point. Yeah.
Yeah, so the solar lighting actually it's quite it's not that difficult.
Yeah.
So we have the solar charge controllers, which can be the solar charge controller as well the LED driver for the lamp as well. So in the daytime, the batteries they can charge through the solar charge controller through the solar panel. And during the evenings, so that the lights will work in the evenings to discharge the solar lighting systems So actually, it's not a rocket science, but it is very environmental friendly.
Okay, then the battery can power up and light up the lamps at night, right?
Yes.
So many street lights then you have some key composition, like the solar panel and the LG modules, batteries, and also the main controller. In different application, then how to choose the correct model?
Yeah. This is a great question, because for the solar lighting products, it can be widely used in a number of different applications, such as the roadways, the urban road, rural road, the parking lots, campus, etc. So let's dive into how to choose the solar lighting products. So first of all is the solar panel. So we have a number of different solar panel technologies, and mostly used are the ones like the monotype and the polytype solar panel in the market for the solar lighting systems. So as you can see from our slide, for the monotype, it is of high efficiency and higher reliability. So the advantage, it is highly efficient, so that it can charge more electricity during the daytime than the polytype solar panels.
Okay, so you know we are choosing the high efficiency model, right?
Yes, of course.
Everyone exclude the solar panel, and I think the battery is also very important component in the lab. So how to choose the battery?
Yeah, the battery actually is a very key component of the solar lighting systems. So at the moment, there are two key different types of lithium batteries on the market for the solar lighting system. The first one is the lithium iron phosphate type batteries, and the second one is the ternary lithium batteries. So as you can see from our slide, actually you can see the lithium iron phosphate actually it's more stable in the chemical terms, so it will not be very easy to get on fire in case of any shortages. So actually they also offer much longer life cycles than the ternary lithium batteries.
So our solar street light can also have the smart control or any new solutions here?
Yes, of course. So right now, nowadays, as you know, everything can be IoT, Internet of Things. So there's no exception of our lighting industry. So for our solar street lighting, so we can also have the smart control system to connect the solar street lights to for the smart management.
Okay. So currently, how many different control system or the solutions we have?
Yeah, we have a number of them, like the GPRS, 4G, NB-IoT, and also the LoRaWAN, and also the
Zigbee, right?
Zigbee, yes,
okay.
Yes. So here is an overview of the comparison of the different communication technologies. So this is just for quicker information. So normally for the outdoor right now, the most widely used technology, the 4G communications. So because there is no need to install extra communication bases for the smart control system.
Okay, so it's very user-friendly, right? So it also have a quick view for the control system interface.
Yes, our control system can be approached on the computer as well on the mobile phone.
So here showing you our professional products overview here. We have the all-in-one and all-in-two different model for our selection.
Yes, for all-in-one we have 4 different models, and for the split type we have the split type the essential one all-in-two solar street light, and also essential one all-in-two floodlight.
Yeah, and we also show the samples here, then we will have a detailed introduction for you. So let's start to introduce our first model, Elite 2.
So the Elite 2 solar street lights, it's an all-in-one type, so which means that we integrated everything in the one luminaires, like the LED modules, solar panels, solar charge controller, sensors, and also the batteries, as well as the housings as well. So it's a it's quite an innovative product. We just launched this product last year. So this product can be widely used in a lot of different applications.
Yeah, and I noticed that there are some advantages and a special design for the LED module, right? It can retractable.
Yes, it can be retortable for the LED modules, and also the speakers, the mounting speaker can be compatible with the side entry and the post-op installations, and also the angle can be widely adjusted to meet different applications for the different regions. So besides, we also have the mechanic power switch, so that we can switch off the luminaires during the transportations and also the installations. Apart from that, we also have used the die casting aluminum housing. So this is quite different from a lot of solar street lights from the markets, because right now a lot of all-in-one solar street lights on the market, they use the extruded aluminum housing instead of the die casting. So for us, our product is more durable, and also we can specify in the different tenders for our customers. So we have a few different features to highlight for our Eli 2 all-in-one solar street light. The first one is this product is equipped with 180 to 200 lumen per watt efficacy. And also for this product, we have from 20 watt to 90 watt system power wattage options for our customers. Besides, and also the maximum solar panel is available, sized at 120 watt. And also the largest batteries capacity could be around 921 watt per hours. So for our products, this one can be working up to 2 to 3 overcast rainy days. So for all-in-one, for the Eli 2, this product is smarter and greener because we have default working modes from our factory, and also the working mode can be customized as per our customers' requirements. And besides of that, we have the PRI or microwave sensors, which is optional for our project's alternative, because this can help to save more energies for the solar lighting system. The default mode, as you can see from our slide, the default mode when people approach, so the first 2 hours is 100% plus 3 hours by 50%, and also 6 hours for 20%, and the last hours for 30%. And when nobody approaches, the
then you will cut down, right?
Yeah, they
you will cut down to 20% with the motion sensor.
Yes. Yeah. So we can guarantee the autonomy of the solar luminaires. So Christy, do you know why we designed the LED module to be adjustable?
Because then we have the more available for the light distribution.
That is one of the rationale, because another aspect is that as you might know, that for the solar products, the solar has to face to the equator to maximize the charging efficacy. So in case of that, but we have 2 different hemisphere, right? The north and the south. So we have to make sure that the solar panel to be adjustable. Apart from that, if we adjust the solar panel to, for example, 40 degrees, but as you can see, our LED module will be adjusted to 45 as well, right?
Yeah.
But in case of that, the illumination will be out of the place where we want to illuminate. So that's why we have to make the LED module to be adjustable. So we can adjust the angle of the LED module back to the 0 levels or the 15 degrees, for example, 5 degrees. That doesn't matter. So, but that's very important to have this kind of features.
Yeah, it's a very new and special design, I think.
Yes. So I think that another benefit, very important one for the solar street lighting products is that it has to be designed to be of easy maintenance, because as you might know that the solar lighting system, it's a system. It's not a single product. It's not like AC street light. We can have LED, the LED driver. So that's two key components. But for the solar lighting products, we have, as we just introduced, we have the LED modules, the solar charge controllers, the batteries,
the battery and panel.
Panels. So, and even the sensors. We have to make sure that the product itself is designed to be very reliable. Apart from that, we also have to consider the product to be easy of maintenance. And also, when we design the Elite 2 solar street light, we also considered allowing for other consideration like the SKD shipment for a lot of local assemblies for our customers, because a lot of markets, they are asking for the SKD for the local assembly. So I think that is also one of our key features for the Elite 2 solar street lights.
Yeah.
So you can see for our Elite 2, we just need to loosen the two screws to open the battery compartment, so that we can replace any defective components such as the batteries, the solar charge controllers, the sensors, so etc.
Yeah, and I noticed that we also designed a compatible with AC electricity and the solar hybrid version.
Yes, that because maybe for some applications like in the high altitudes that we have to the customer, they want to use solar street light, but the site or the place, the region is not very rich in solar energies, but the customer, they still want to use solar, so they can use the solar and the AC electricity combined hybrid type to power up the solar street lights. So this is an overview of our hybrid options. And also we can have two different models, like the battery priority and the power grid priority for different applications. So here is the overview of different dimensions, different sizes of our Elite 2 solar street lights, and also the light distributions, applications as well. So this product is quite a widely used, like the roads, the urban roads, the rural roads, the parking lots, parks, and also like the footpath, cycle paths, as well as like other applications like campus, etc. So the next product is also quite new and also innovative products, because as you know that the pain points of the solar lighting products is that the charging efficacy. So in case of, because you know there are some applications where there's a lot of dust or rains or etc. or debris. So in that cases, in that applications, we have to use other different products like this one, like the Elite 2 boat with the self-cleaning functions to make sure that the solar panel is cleaned to still be in high charging efficacy, to make sure that the solar lighting products will function as a whole. So for this product, we also have used the monotype solar panel, which is in higher charging efficacies. And also we have the built-in motion sensors. Besides, we use international branded LEDs, which is of very high efficacy. So for this product, the efficacy could be also up to 200 lumen per watt. And also we have used the aluminum alloy housing. And also we have the self-clean design here.
Yeah, so the self-clean design can also remove the burst droppings, right?
Yes. So this is an example of our self-clean function. So you can see we have we have sands on the rear side of the solar panel. So after we start the self-cleaning function, so the sands can be wiped out.
Yeah.
So to make sure.
So shall we have the sample showing here, then show to our client then how it works?
Yes, yes, we have a sample in front of us, just in front of us.
So I think the self-clean design is a very good optional for the average.
Yes, because
market.
because it tackles the pain points of the heavy dust areas.
Yeah.
So here is some features and benefits of the Eli2 boat. So first of all, we have chosen very high efficacy and top international branded LED drive LEDs, which can be up to 180 lumen per watt efficacy. And also the lumen package can be from 5,400 lumens to 14,400 lumens. We also use the monotype, which is our tradition for the all-in-one type solar street lights. And also we use the lithium iron phosphate batteries for the much longer lifespan. And it also can be work up to 2 to 3 overcast rainy days. Besides, it is compatible with the photo cell control, the sensors as well. So the working mode is the same with the Eli2, but this is just the default mode. The actual working mode can be customized as per the requirements of the project. So here we can see we have 3 different sizes for the Eli2 boat, and also we have the 2 different lighting distributions, like the Type 2 medium and the Type 2 short.
And I noticed that just the voltage is just up to 90 voltage for Eli2. But if I want the higher voltage, is there any option?
Yes, this is our option, the Bright 2 all-in-one solar street light. So as you see that because the solar street lights has been popular for quite a long time.
Yes.
And the market trend, the market demand for the all-in-one type solar street light is getting bigger and bigger. So that is why in this year we'll just launch the new product, the Bright 2 all-in-one solar street light, which can be up to 120 watt.
Yeah.
Yes, for the roadway applications.
Yeah. So I think if the voltage is so big, then the battery and the solar panel will have the higher spec. Right.
Yes, yes. So this is an overview of the Bright 2. So you can see because of the size, the weight of the Bright 2 solar street lights, as we just mentioned. So we have to the installation must be robust enough to support this product, because this product might be installed like in I think in 8 to 10 meters. So we have to make sure that the product is safe after installation. So you can see we have besides apart from the speaker, we also have the 2 bracket arms to support the solar lights as a whole. So for the solar panel, we can use from 150 to 240 watt. Also in monotype solar panels, and also we have the built-in motion sensors or BI sensors, and also the international brand LEDs. And also we use anti-corrosion aluminum alloy housing. That is because for the solar street lights, most of the applications might be near the sea, because there's no access to electricity near the seaside. So that is why we have to make sure that the product is corrosion proof. So for this product, the lumen package can be from 10,800 lumens to 21,600 lumens, and also the wind resistance up to 130 kilometers per hour with high structural integrity. And also we also use the top quality LEDs with up to 180 lumen per watt efficacy. So we also use the lithium batteries, which can be up to 2,000 life cycles. And also we use the intelligent charge controller and also the remote control for the easy adjustment of working modes. Because this kind of products, customers, they might have different requirements of the working modes. So we can supply the remote controller to our customers, and the customer can adjust the working modes by themselves as well. So that will make the product kind of more flexible. So the working mode, you can see, because this product is big, it's different from the applications of like Eli 2 or Eli 2 boat. So you can see the working mode is a much higher percentage brightness. Like the bright 2, we will have the 4 hours of 100%, plus 2 hours 60%, and 60%, and 6 hours for 40%. So you can see it's quite a big difference.
Yeah, but if you don't like this working model, and you can adjust by the remote, right?
Yes, yes. So for this one, we have 4 different sizes, from 80 watt to 180 watt, 60 watt, 80 watt, 100 watt, and 120 watt. And also we have different optics, like the Type 2 medium and the Type 2 short, for 30-30 and 50-50 LEDs. So you can see the applications. It's a little bit different from the product we just mentioned. It's for the urban roads, for the city roads. So it's quite wider roads than other products. So here are some of our new release product in this year. So like these are the economic ranges for our customers. The first one is the all-in-one type, Essential 1 series, all-in-one type solar street lights, and all-in-2, and floodlight as well, also all-in-2. We have a sample here. So this one is the Essential 1, all-in-one solar street lights, with also some very sleek design for our customers. And also this is the Essential 1 2-in-1 solar street lights, and this is the Essential 1 all-in-2 floodlights. Okay. So the first is the Essential 1 series. So you can see the mounting angle of the Essential 1 can be adjusted from plus degrees. Or minus 90 degrees, yes, for the applications. So for this series, it's the lumen package. It's much smaller, from 2,000 lumens to 4,500 lumens. And also you can see the housing is a little bit different from the Eli 2 solar street lights. It's made from the high strength aluminum construction, robust, but it's still robust and reliable. And also we use the high quality LED with up to 180 lumen per watt efficacy. This efficacy is for the whole luminaires. It's not the efficacy of LED chips.
Yes.
Yeah. It's not as claimed from other competitors' products. Yes. Yeah. And also we use the lithium batteries for the much longer lifespan. And also we have smart solar charge controllers built in to light up the solar street lights. And also this product is also compatible with the sensors for more flexible applications. So the working mode, the standard working mode is 1 hour for 100%, 2 hours for 60%, and 2 hours for 30%, and 7 hours for 50% only. So we have 3 different sizes for the Essential 1 all-in-one solar street lights: the 2,000 lumens, 3,000 lumens, and the 4,500 lumens models. And for this one, we have Type 2 optics for the applications, normally for relatively narrow roads for applications. So here is the Essential series all-in-2 street lights. So for this product, actually, the lumen package is a little bit bigger than the Essential 1 all-in-one type. it can be from 1,500 to 8,000 lumens per total lumen package. And also the efficacy is a little bit lower with up to 160 lumen per watt.
Yeah.
This is because that for this product it's integrated with the temper class. So the efficacy is a little bit reduced because of this. And also the battery is built inside this street light housings. Yeah, inside here.
Yeah.
And also the solar charge control as well. So for this product, the working mode is also the same with the Essential One all-in-one solar street lights. So we have 5 different models from 1,500 lumens to 8,000 lumens. So the application is also very flexible. So the last one is the Essential One series floodlight. For this type, it's also the design. Actually, the design is in the similar design with the Essential One all-in-two solar street lights with the batteries integrated and inside the luminous housings, and with the separate type the solar panels. Yeah, for this product, it's the housing is made of die-casting aluminum housings with up to 180 lumen per watt efficacies. So for this product, the difference is that this floodlight is integrated with the PC optics instead of the temper class.
Okay.
Yeah, and also the working mode is also the same with the Essential One.
Yeah, and both the floodlight and the solar panel also have the blanket and easy for installation, right?
Yes, and also for the adjustable. So for the Essential One floodlight, we have 3 different models from 1,500 lumens to 2,000 lumens and 3,000 lumens. And also for this product, we have the Type 1 seismic optics for the lighting applications, because this product is normally for the area lighting. So they do not have very strict requirements of the light distributions. So you can see the application is for areas with ample sunlight and favorable daylight conditions, including like parks, courtyards, and villas. These are all areas of required area lighting products. So, Christy, what if I want some sample to test and try?
Of course, we already some free sample in our stock, and if you are interested in our model here, you can scan the QR codes or contact our sales, then we will contact you and just share and send you the free sample if you want. Just contact us.
Okay, that's great.
Okay, so it's time to say goodbye today. It's all for our introduction, and thank you for your time today. See you.
See you. Thank you. Bye.